Hello everyone! After more than 10 years of seeing this type of failure every day, today I want to share with you what we have learned from our experience in our shop. The A1 error code on the Nanit Pro baby monitor usually appears when the camera turns on but cannot communicate properly with the app. In our repair shop, we found that many times it's not a camera failure but rather a connection issue between the device, the Wi-Fi network, and the app. Several customers describe a similar situation. The camera appears to be working, but the app displays the error and does not allow them to view the video feed. Technically, this means the device has power, but it has lost the communication needed to transmit data. One of the most common causes is changes to the Wi-Fi network. Some customers mention that the issue starts after replacing their router, upgrading their home internet service, or changing wireless settings. The Nanit Pro may have trouble when the signal is unstable or when there are conflicts between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. We have also seen cases where the app loses synchronization with the camera after an update. In these situations, technicians usually check the account settings and network connection first before considering replacing any components. The first thing we recommend in our workshop is to perform a complete system restart. Unplug the camera, restart the router, and set up the connection again through the app. Many smart devices can become stuck after power outages or network changes. If the error continues, it is a good idea to perform a factory reset and set up the Nanit Pro again. This process removes old settings that may be causing communication problems.